Smart video is pushing the boundaries of what industries can do by providing critical insights not able to be seen by humans alone. So how can you learn more about smart video and how it works to take advantage of its growing demand? I'm Stephanie Essen, and you'll find out in this IDZ Weekly. By using deep learning to process hours and hours of video data, industries like digital security, retail, smart cities, and even manufacturing can maintain a competitive edge. Intel has introduced the OpenVINO toolkit to help accelerate development of deep learning inference applications. It's a convolutional neural network-based tool to develop applications and solutions that emulate human vision with the support of heterogeneous execution across different hardware platforms. Perfect for smart video use cases. If you don't know much about the OpenVINO toolkit, Intel has an online workshop that offers tutorials and labs focused on different aspects to accelerate the development of deep learning applications. This smart video workshop featuring the OpenVINO toolkit is aimed at engineers, researchers, and software developers who develop computer vision and machine learning applications and want to benefit from transparent hardware acceleration. The workshop will cover Intel computer vision technology, including the OpenVINO toolkit, a wide range of common software frameworks such as TensorFlow, Caffe, and MXNet, how to accelerate computer vision applications, performance optimization techniques with hardware acceleration for platforms, and finally, you'll learn to leverage reference implementations for rapidly developing end-to-end solutions for today's use cases. To take the workshop to develop your own smart video application, check out the links. See you next Monday.